Want to make money online in America without editing skills? Imagine creating YouTube thumbnails with just one click, no Photoshop, no design headaches, and turning them into real income. Let's break it down. You don't need to be a designer. AI thumbnail generators do everything for you. Just type your video title, click once, and instantly get a professional thumbnail. These tools are fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for creators who want eye-catchy designs that boost clicks. Here's how you cash in. Offer one-click thumbnail services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to YouTubers in the United States. Creators know thumbnails drive views, and they will pay $10 to $20 per design. With repeat clients and bulk orders, you can quickly scale into hundreds of dollars per week. To grow, build a portfolio, and showcase your work on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Use keywords like YouTube Thumbnail Design USA and AI Thumbnail Service so American clients find you. The demand is huge. Every creator needs thumbnails, and you will be the one delivering them.